What is cloud collaboration? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. We all know the old adage, what is it to save some data on the cloud? It's not in the cloud, it is on somebody else's computer. So cloud collaboration means, what if two folks want to put something in the cloud and both have access to it? That's now cloud collaboration. Not only in times of COVID, but also because we are working more and more globally, more and more remotely, and more in different parts on the same project, the collaboration of two or more individuals on one project is increasing. Therefore, the need for cloud collaboration software is also increasing. In practical terms, the big players are in a growing market situation. I just saw the 2020 cloud collaboration market, and to nobody's surprise, the big companies as in Microsoft, Google, Cisco Systems, Oracle, are listed as the top companies for cloud collaboration software. But what matters for me today is, how are you protecting yourself as a company if you have cloud collaboration? In an area of bring your own devices, where your employees take their own technology to work and home, how are you securing the intellectual property in your company? Do you have the proper guidelines, the proper employment handbooks? But also, are you able to technologically wipe out the devices if needed? Or even worse, how are you protecting yourself against some hacker attacks? And finally, do your customers know? So how do you have the cloud collaboration practices included in your terms and conditions? Lots of questions. I believe cloud collaboration is here to stay, but it means also today is the first day you should optimize your cloud collaboration legal groundwork.